Up and Go is an incredibly easy way for guests to pay without downloading an app. It only takes 15 seconds to pay, and the payment goes straight to your POS. No separate accounting is needed or changes to your restaurant operations. This is all done by the guest simply scanning a QR code printed at the bottom of the check.
It was a pleasure serving you. We have a new technology where you can pay your check whenever you want with your phone camera. It's super easy and there's no app or registration. Simply scan the QR code, and if you'd like to split the check, pick the exact items you ordered by tapping on them.
Awesome!
Guests don't need an app. It's super easy. They just open the camera on their phones and hover over the QR code. It will prompt them to load the check in their browser. Guests can pay using the credit card stored in their browser, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even Venmo.
Wow, this is incredible! The check is right here and open information on my phone's web browser.
Can I use the same code?
Here you go.
Oh, cool. You've already paid for your stuff. I only have to pay for my soda and salad.
Nice. We can pay for exactly what we ordered.
Yeah, and even the tax and tip are added on the stuff I ordered.
Looks like I'll just pay what's left since you guys have already paid for your stuff. Wow, I can even use Apple Pay.
Yeah, I used Venmo. And there's a link to Instagram. I'm gonna follow the restaurant.
Great! We're gonna be on time for our movie.
Yeah.
As you can see, guests can easily split and pay their checks by themselves. Up and Go saves servers time and extra trips to the table by putting the guest in control of the check. Also, the guests can easily tap on the exact items they ordered, eliminating inaccurate math that often results in underpayment and unsatisfaction.
My section is so slammed right now. I've got people waiting for table 24. Have those 3 paid yet?
Of course, Up and Go isn't only for split checks, and guests can pay the entire check if they want instead.
Yes, they just paid. I see the payment on the screen and on the printout. Give the table a wipe down and seat them when you're ready.
Thank you. I love this new tech. So much easier with these split checks, and all 3 left over 20% tip.
With the guests taking care of the check, Up and Go saves servers time to serve other guests more efficiently and provide better service. Servers are able to increase sales, guest satisfaction, and tips. Remember, there is no app for guests to download and no extra hardware needed. Payments are more secure, and tips are sent to the POS instantly without the server having to enter them manually. Almost all modern smartphones have a QR scanner in their camera app that detects the QR code without taking a picture. By simply opening the camera app and aiming it at the QR code, a link will appear opening directly to their check in the browser. And if for some reason the guest can't scan the QR code, they can go to upandgo.com and enter the code at the bottom of their check. With Up and Go, your guests get up and go happily while you serve more guests. Guests pay when they want, can easily split the check, enjoy higher payment security, and can get email receipts. For servers, Up and Go collects payments, freeing time to sell more and earn higher tips. Restaurants turn tables quicker, improve labor efficiency, and earn more revenue.